Hello, and welcome to another Learning is Change CarCast, where I get to talk to you from the dashboard of my car while looking forward so I can keep some semblance of safety. Today, I want to talk about the session that we did on Tuesday, which was about personalized professional learning. We held a hangout, a roundtable, where there were a number of people who were on the video that were really discussing the nature of personalized professional learning. And the thing that got me the most was something that Chris Sessom said. He was talking about the idea that learning is personal and not maybe personalized. And it brought up the question for me, how personal should learning be? Should it be something that really is my own, or should it be something that someone else has personalized for me? That they are differentiating for me, catering to my needs, and I am simply the recipient, and I am an active participant in that learning, but perhaps that it isn't necessarily personal. And it really challenged me to think about whether or not I am making my own learning personal, or that our students and our adult learners are personalizing for themselves, that they are making it personal. And it sort of called into question, well, the act of personalization, who is the agent? Who is the one doing the personalization? And if it is not the learner, if it is not that adult learner or student learner, that they truly are not an agent in their own learning, that it is only being done to them still. And it made me think, well, perhaps it matters the way that we talk about personalized learning. Maybe it matters whether or not it is being crafted so that you can personalize it for yourself. And that is the act of sort of personalizing it for someone. It's sort of crafting the environment. Or if it is simply that I have made my own outcomes. I have chosen the learning, and I am making it something that is valuable to me, and that is the act of personalization. And no one else can do it for me. No one else but the learner can personalize learning. And it sort of calls into question all of the systems that we set up to say, oh, now we have personalized learning. If the learning isn't personal, if it isn't chosen, if it isn't something that I have sort of staked a claim upon and owned for myself, is it truly personalized? And I guess I'm going to ask that question to anybody who might watch this video. Can you personalize learning for someone else? Or do you have to make the learning personal and own it and choose it and make the outcomes explicit for yourself? Is that the only way that we actually get to personalized learning? And if that's the case, if you want to take it one step further, when we personalize learning using technology and those kinds of things, and we say that, things are differentiated or they're adaptive or things like that, does that actually equate to personalized learning, or does it actually just get us further down this sort of computer-based instruction path rather than a personal choice? Learning that I have made because it is mine, because I am owning it and I'm choosing it. So I'm going to leave that question out there and see what you guys have to think. You can leave a comment down below, or if you are on Google+, you definitely can share it and talk about it there as well. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate all of the comments and ideas.